Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have recently gotten back from our European tour, and on one of the workshops there, one of the participants asked Peter if he's ever used the umbrella collapsed, which Peter realised that he hasn't. So this is his first proper play around using the collapsed umbrella. If you do want to see the full version of this, it is over on Inspire, where he's going to go through the whole setup and everything, but this is a quick little behind the scenes of him playing around with the collapsed umbrella with the incredible Anna in the studio.
Okay, so we just got back from Europe workshops, and on one of the workshops, somebody asked me about collapsed umbrella lighting. And I realized I've never tried it. It's near impossible to find anything about it. But I know back in the 60s, it was used a lot to get a more natural type of flashlight. So this tutorial is going to be a little bit about the umbrella. I'm going to start off with the umbrella fully opened. I'm going to put a sock on it. Then I'm going to do the collapsed umbrella look so you can see all the different looks that we come out of the umbrella. I've just got a large umbrella, a large silver umbrella. I've got it sitting, the parabolics sitting to grab the maximum amount of light, which means it's about, the light face is about level with the umbrella. And all I'm going to do now is just get my exposure right and get my angle right. Cool, that's really pretty. I'm tempted to tilt it a bit, but actually I fluked it pretty much from the start. Let's tilt it a touch more. I'm just sort of trying to throw the parabolic power down to about her hip. That worked better. Just trying to get the light to come down her a little bit more, and I might just pull that light back a fraction just to make it breathe. When I say breathe, it just will turn the power down and make it a little bit more even. Perfect. All right, so now if I just work on that spot, let's just do a few frames just to nail that look. Cool. Beautiful. Lots of feel and a really gorgeous setup. Again, with this, that's really pretty. That's so pretty. Just there, cool, beautiful. Nice, I like that. I'm certain I'm going to have one picture in there that I can use as a comparison picture. Oh, that's a bit nice. So that's just with the straight silver umbrella. I'm going to stick a sock on it. So this basically just turns the umbrella into more like a softbox. Like I said before, we will have lost some power. I'll just take a shot and then we can see how much power we lost. Yeah, so you can see we lost a fair bit. Right, so yeah, we've lost nearly a full stop of power. Yeah, so that worked. Okay, put one more stop into it again. Now, if we have a look at the picture before, you'll see there is a definite softness to this. You'll see it's much harsher. You'll see how it's just softened out because we're getting that glow off. That's lighting that whole surface and lighting with that surface. So I'll just do a couple of, so we've got a really nice shot with this. That's cool. That's really pretty. Cool. Stunning, stunning. Eyes. All right, cool. So we've got some nice shots in there. So now what I'm going to do is let's get into the collapsible or collapsed umbrella. So basically what it is, it's the umbrella collapsed. It's not using the umbrella open, it's using the umbrella collapsed down. One of the good things with the Profoto is I can set how much collapse I want on it based on how much I put it in the hole here. So I can just let it sit there. So I'm just going to say there. So it's like halfway between open and shut. And I'm not sure what power that's going to do, but let's punch that off. The background has changed a lot. There's this beautiful seam sort of running through. The power's up on her face. I'm going to just adjust this now more to direct where I want the power. Cool, that's really pretty. Right, so I've still got too much on her face, so the fallout down her body's quite nice. I'm going to collapse it just a little bit more. So by collapsing, I'm hoping that that's turning the power down. Cool. It definitely does, and now it's really working. That last collapse, look at the difference. See how it's now given much nicer feel in here. I just want to fine tune this a little, just a touch further So I moved the umbrella a little bit, I've opened it up a little bit more. I'm just going to keep on fine tuning this. That changed a lot. Just open it up a touch more. So all I'm doing is slowly opening the umbrella up a bit, which should be softening the light off. Oh, that's much nicer, it's getting there. You'll see how it's just softened off. There's a line running through there, but now that slight opens, move that line. I'm just going to keep on direction of light around a little bit more this way. Because we're using different parts of the umbrella to light Anna, that's why I'm moving it so much. Well, like that. See how it's brought the light, just that move has brought the light more onto her face. I'm just going to keep adjusting, because this is actually the first time I've ever played with this properly. I did a quick little play on a workshop and got some nice effects, but really didn't put in some major time on this. Cool, that's really pretty. Just trying to do baby steps on the way, so I'm teaching myself things. So if we just go back maybe 5 changes, you'll see there's a massive change, and I haven't played with the power yet. I'm just turning the angle of the umbrella, lifting it up more and more to turn into Anna's face until I'm getting the fall off where I want the fall off. That's really cool. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. A little bit of fine polishing, which I really, really like doing. Yeah, see, that's just softened off the skin, slightly darker, but I'm liking how that's falling out. I'm bringing that light down for 2 reasons. Cool, that's really pretty. Yeah, I like that better. It's subtle, but you'll see she's not as gaunt. See how it's quite gaunt in her face up here, just by me lowering it down. See how I just got more light coming in on. That's much nicer, so much happier with this. This is why you should never stop playing. Cool, that's really pretty. You don't know until you actually give it a try. That's cool, that's really cool. Cool, cool. Nice, I like that pose. That's really pretty. Just relax your fingers a little bit. Don't be so, just slightly, yeah, that's better. That's cool. Yeah, I'm liking these. Hero shot now, girl. All right. That's cool, that's really cool. So yeah, all about feel. The whole thing's about feel. If you just move in a way that makes you feel something, it just adds to, that's cool, that's so really pretty. That's much better, cool. Cool, that's really pretty. Beautiful, that's really pretty. Now everything I've done so far is without doing anything with my post-production. This has all just been moving the light and shuffling the light around. Oh, they're nice. So when I go feel and eyes, Anna's just nailed 2 rippers. That's cool, that's really cool. Cool. Nice, yeah, just drop it in like that. That slow move will make you feel things. Really pretty. See how much better it is when you slowly move? You feel it. So that very slow little move around. Nice, nice. Cool, that's so pretty. And I might just come over here and work over her shoulder just a little bit. Santa does give a really nice look over. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. She loves looking down on people over her shoulder. Cool, that's really nice. I like that. That's really pretty. Just relax your fingers a little bit. That's better, that's so much better. Cool. I think Anna's gonna really like these.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. As I said, if you do want to see the full version of this tutorial, head over to Inspire. Link is in the description, but I'll pop up some other videos we have using umbrellas on the screen now.